Hey guys, Dean Soleimani here from Sticker City. And if you know us, you know that bigger is better, and that's what Sticker City is all about. Well, at least when it comes to film. Blings are getting bigger too. All right, guys, you're not here just to see my shiny forehead. I know it's quite shiny, but we're actually here to look at this shiny hood. This is one of the tougher hoods out in the market. If you're using a regular 60-inch film, you're gonna have to do this in 3 pieces. Now, we have a 72-inch film. Even then, it's still pretty difficult to do, but as you can see, there's no seams anywhere, one piece, which makes cleaning a lot easier. It looks a lot better. Now, this material costs a bit more, but at the end, the results are what matter. Look at this car, which is the Aston Martin DB11. Right next to you, another humongous hood. Generally, if you use the 60-inch, you're gonna have to see a seam mark here, which you would have to do on 3 pieces as well, but done in 1 piece by our amazing techs, which I'm very happy with. Results are fantastic. Now we're ready to deliver to the client. Let us know what you thought about that. What do you think about the 72-inch material? Give us a like, give us a comment, tell us how you would do your hood, and comment below and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the road.